Welcome to the inside scoop from a recent YouTube event where algorithm gurus, YouTube heads, and top content creators broke down the secrets of the YouTube algorithm in 2023. You're in luck because I'm here to share everything with you. Buckle up as we uncover the main factors that can catapult your channel's growth. Let's kick off with an essential aspect that often gets overshadowed: viewer retention rates. The YouTube algorithm specialists emphasize how closely retention rates correlate with the overall performance of your videos. The longer viewers stay engaged with your content, the more likely they are to develop a connection with your channel and become loyal subscribers. So, how can you improve retention rates? The answer, according to Todd Beaupre, lies in creating captivating content right from the get-go. Your video's introduction needs to be exciting, setting the tone for what's to come and compelling viewers to stick around. Techniques like storytelling, humor, or intriguing questions can help captivate viewers. Moreover, pace plays a key role in maintaining viewer attention. It's crucial to avoid overly long introductions or unrelated digressions that might lead to viewer drop-off. Keeping your content concise, engaging, and well-paced can ensure a smooth flow that keeps viewers hooked. Additionally, they emphasize the importance of aesthetics in your videos. Include high-quality visuals, striking graphics, and dynamic editing techniques to enrich your video's visual appeal. This not only enhances viewer experience, but also encourages them to stick around till the end. And don't forget, your video should deliver on the promise made by your title and thumbnail. This builds viewer trust and increases satisfaction, which can in turn improve retention rates. Lastly, take note of audience feedback. Engage with comments and listen to viewer suggestions. These are golden nuggets that can help shape your content and improve viewer retention. Now, let's shift gears to discuss the importance of identifying and understanding the videos and channels that your audience also watches. This insight can help you get a pulse on your audience's preferences and interests, enabling you to tweak your content strategy to match. Instead of merely comparing your channel stats with others, dive deeper into the patterns and trends within your specific niche. Noting the videos recommended alongside yours or the channels your viewers frequent can help fine-tune your content, leading to increased viewer satisfaction and engagement. Next, let's discuss the power of trends. YouTube algorithm heads liken trends to wildfire, quick to spread and garner attention. However, with more creators joining the trend, the competition intensifies. They stress the importance of adding a unique touch to your content amidst trending topics. Don't just ride the wave, but make your videos stand out and be memorable. On the topic of fluctuating video performance, the heads debunked the common myth of algorithm changes being the culprit. Instead, they highlighted factors like seasonality and current trends as significant influences. Comprehending these patterns can help you better align your content strategy. The significance of serialized content also came up in their discussion. Like an addictive TV series, a series of related videos can invite viewers to delve deeper into your channel, improving engagement and creating a sense of expectation. And now, let's talk about balance. Quality versus quantity is an eternal debate for content creators, but the YouTube heads remind us that it's about maintaining a consistent level of quality while uploading videos frequently, leading to higher overall views. Remember, the goal is not just to rack up views, but to provide genuine value to your viewers. Next, let's discuss the YouTube homepage, a goldmine for attracting new and casual viewers. Make your content compelling enough to convert these viewers into subscribers. An eye-catching thumbnail and intriguing title can make all the difference. To wrap things up, Mr. Beast shared that in the past 28 days, 34% of his viewers were new. This fact highlights the enormous potential to grow your channel by drawing in new viewers. So, continually refine your content to make it appealing to both your existing subscribers and potential new viewers. Finally, keep in mind that it's not all about the algorithm. Success hinges largely on your ability to connect with your audience. Leverage the insights from the videos and channels your audience engages with to tailor your content to meet their expectations. By doing so, you can drive higher engagement and foster a stronger bond with your viewers. If you found this video useful and want to continue learning about YouTube success, make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment.